Hello, student. Good morning. How are you? I hope you are fine. Welcome to online class. Today we are going to discuss about the study of PMMC galvanometer. The aim of this experiment is to study PMMC galvanometer to measure the internal resistance and full scale deflection current IFSD of PMMC galvanometer. The list of electronic component and equipment. PMMC galvanometer register 1 kilo ohm DC power supply 0 to 30 volt, emitter 0 to 500 microampere or emitter 0 to 1 ampere. Theory regarding this experiment is PMMC means permanent magnet moving coil. PMMC permanent magnet moving coil mechanism is used for the measurement of DC quantities like voltage, current and resistance. Working principle for PMMC permanent magnet moving coil. When a conductor is freely suspended in a magnetic field and current passes through a conductor, the conductor moves in the direction given by the Fleming's left hand rule. The diagram of PMMC galvanometer is shown below. Construction of permanent magnet moving coil means PMMC. Permanent magnet and moving coil are two main parts of the PMMC mechanism. Figure shows permanent magnet of horseshoe form with a soft iron pole pieces attached to it. A cylinder of soft iron is present between the pole piece and the cylinder. The coil is wound on a light metal frame and is mounted so that it can rotate freely in the air gap. The pointer is attached to the coil drum. Two terminals of the coil are kept out to pass current through the coil. Pointer gives angular deflections on the calibrated scale when current passes through it. Working of the permanent magnet moving coil PMMC. When direct current DC flows through the coil, magnetic field is produced around it due to currents. It reacts with the uniform magnetic field of the magnetic pole pieces. The resultant force turns the coil drum with the pointer. The amount of the deflection indicates the amount of the current through the coil. Correct polarity allows the pointer to read the scale. Advantage of PMMC: lower power consumption, uniform scale, the current and voltage range can be extended, no hysteresis losses, effective and efficient eddy current damping, requires small operating current, no effect of stray magnetic field, very accurate and reliable. Disadvantage of this PMMC, this instrument cannot be used for AC measurement. Cost is high. Measurement of full scale deflection current IFSD of PMMC galvanometer, permanent magnet and moving coil shows in the given below diagram. Procedure for this experiment is: first connect circuit as shown in the diagram. Increase DC voltage step by step till the PMMC galvanometer shows the full scale deflection. Note standard ammeter reading which shows full scale deflection of PMMC galvanometer. Measurement of internal resistance of PMMC galvanometer. The internal resistance Rm of PMMC galvanometer is equal to applied voltage divided by full scale deflection current IFSD, that is equal to Rm is equal to V upon IFSD. Observation: full scale deflection current IFSD of PMMC galvanometer is equal to 1 milliampere. Internal resistance of PMMC galvanometer is equal to 50 ohms. There is some assignment for you. Please note it down in your copy and show me later on. The first question is, what do you mean by PMMC? What is the use of PMMC galvanometer? What do you mean by IFSD? How do you measure IFSD of PMMC galvanometer? How do you measure internal resistance of galvanometer? Okay, thank you student. Meet you in next period. Thanks.